If you hear this sound, your door's already failing. Watch until the end. Secret number 12, windshield wiper skip. That annoying squeak every time your wipers move across the glass? You replace the blades, but the noise stays. Here's the catch. It's not the blades, it's the windshield. Car washes and waxes leave behind a thin silicone film that makes the rubber chatter on the glass. That vibration might sound harmless, but it wears down your wiper motor and can even scratch the windshield. Fix it by cleaning the glass with rubbing alcohol or glass polish, then wipe the blades with a damp cloth. Smooth, silent, perfect. It's your car saying, keep my view clear and I'll keep you safe, rain or shine. Bonus tip, in winter, lift your wipers before snowfall. Frozen blades tear easily. A 5-second habit that saves you money every year. Secret number 11, the fuel cap warning. You're driving and suddenly the check engine light appears. No noises, no smell, nothing feels wrong. Before panicking, check one simple thing, your gas cap. If it's loose, cracked, or missing its rubber seal, fuel vapors escape, and the system triggers an EVAP leak warning. That tiny cap maintains pressure in the fuel tank, critical for emissions and efficiency. Tighten it until it clicks, reset the light, and you might just save a trip to the mechanic. If the light stays on after a few drives, replace the cap. It's usually under $15. Your car's saying, I'm not broken, I'm just breathing wrong. Small part, big impact. Secure that seal, and your engine runs cleaner, smoother, and longer. Secret number 10, Autofold mirror mode. You park on a narrow street, lock the car, and walk away. But your mirrors stay wide open, begging for trouble. Here's the catch. Most modern cars can fold their mirrors automatically, but few drivers ever turn it on. Double press the lock button on your key fob or hold it for 3 seconds, and you'll see the mirrors tuck themselves in like folded wings. It's not just for looks. It protects your mirrors from being clipped, saves space, and gives you a clear visual cue that the car's locked tight. Some models even unfold them when you start the engine or approach with the key in your pocket. If yours doesn't, check the settings menu. It's often just one toggle away. Your car's saying, I'll protect my sides while you're away. Just give me the signal. Bonus tip, in freezing weather, disable Autofold temporarily. Ice can jam the mechanism, and a gentle touch saves a pricey motor. Secret number 9, morning exhaust smoke. When you start your car in the morning, take a quick glance at the exhaust. A thin cloud of white vapor that fades away in seconds. Totally normal. That's just condensation burning off as the engine warms up. But if that smoke stays thick, smells sweet, and hangs in the air, that's not condensation. That's coolant leaking into the combustion chamber. Your car is basically saying, coolant's going where it shouldn't. Check me before I overheat. Blue smoke? That's burning oil, usually worn piston rings or valve seals. Black smoke? Too much fuel, maybe a dirty air filter or a bad sensor. Think of your exhaust like your car's breathing test. A quick look now and then can warn you early. Catch it in time, and a $30 gasket fix saves you from a $1,500 repair later. Secret number 8, the fluid finger check. One of the simplest but most ignored habits. Check your fluids once a month. It takes 2 minutes and a paper towel. Pull the oil dipstick. The oil should be amber and transparent. If it's black and gritty, change it soon. If it's milky or foamy, coolant's leaking in. Transmission fluid should be pink or red and smooth, not brown or burnt. Brake fluid? Clear to light yellow. If it's dark, it's absorbing moisture, and that means weaker braking. Each color tells you your car's health before any warning light appears. It's your car saying, keep my fluids fresh and I'll stay strong. And don't forget windshield washer fluid. Letting it run dry can burn out the pump, a cheap mistake that's easy to avoid. Secret number 7, seatbelt warning light. Start the car, buckle up, and that little seatbelt light flickers. Weird, right? It's not always electrical. Sometimes it's just dust, crumbs, or spilled drinks stuck inside the buckle. That tiny sensor inside checks whether you're buckled in. When it gets dirty, it misreads the signal. Fix? Grab a can of compressed air or some contact cleaner. Spray inside the buckle, click it a few times. Done. Light off, system reset. Your car's saying, my safety gear's fine. I just needed a quick clean. Bonus tip. In winter, bulky jackets can stop the buckle from fully clicking. Always double check it locks. A half-latch belt won't protect you, even if the light's off. Secret number 6, slow power windows. Notice one window moves slower than the rest? That's not just old age, that's dry window tracks. Heat, dust, and UV light harden the rubber, making the motor strain harder each time. Keep ignoring it, and you'll burn out a $200 regulator. To fix it, clean the tracks with a small brush or cotton swab, then spray silicone lubricant along the channel. Cycle the window up and down a few times, smooth as new. Your car's saying, keep my tracks clean, and I'll keep moving easily. And remember, never use grease or oil. They trap dust and make it worse. Stick with silicone or Teflon spray only. Secret number 5, cabin temperature delay. It's freezing outside. You start your car, but the heater barely gets warm. It used to work faster. What happened? That's your clue. Either air's trapped in the cooling system or the thermostat's stuck open. When the thermostat fails, the coolant never reaches full temperature. Your engine runs cold, burns more fuel, and your heater stays weak. Pop the hood and feel the heater hoses. If one's hot and the other's cool, coolant isn't circulating right. Bleeding the system or replacing the thermostat fixes it. Your car's saying, my temperature's off. Fix it before I overheat or freeze. And remember, coolant isn't forever. Replace it every 3 to 5 years. Old coolant corrodes the radiator from the inside out. Secret number 4, steering or tire noise patterns. Turn the radio down for a second and listen. A steady whoop, whoop, whoop sound that speeds up as you drive. That's uneven tire wear or imbalance. A low hum that changes in corners. That's a worn wheel bearing. Your car talks through sound. These noises are early warning signs. Catch them now, and a quick $40 rebalance can save you from $400 in new tires. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers to keep the wear even and the handling sharp. Your car's saying, something's out of balance. Fix it before I shake apart. And if your steering wheel vibrates at highway speeds, check alignment. One bad pothole can throw it off. Secret number 3, hood latch resistance. You pull the hood release, but it feels stiff, maybe barely pops open. Don't force it. That's your warning. The latch cable's dry or starting to rust. Ignore it, and one cold morning you'll pull that handle and nothing happens. You'll be stuck with a hood you can't open, meaning no oil checks, no jump starts, no coolant top-ups. The fix? A 5-second spray of white lithium grease on the latch, and spring keeps it moving smoothly for years. If you live where roads get salted in winter, do this every few months. Salt and moisture are latch killers. Your car's saying, lubricate my latch now, and you'll thank me later. Secret number 2, reverse light reality check. Most drivers don't realize their reverse lights are dead until someone honks. But those lights aren't just for show. They warn others and light your path at night. Once a month, put your car in reverse and check your reflection in a window or garage door. If one bulb's dim or dead, swap it. It takes 5 minutes. If both flicker, clean the sockets or check the reverse switch near the gearbox. Your car's saying, light me up. I need to be seen when backing up. A $3 bulb now prevents an accident later. Simple, right? Yet most people forget. Secret number 1, door seal squeak. Driving on the highway and hear a faint whistle near the door? That's not the mirror. That's dried weather stripping. Over time, rubber seals lose flexibility, crack, and let air leak in. At first, it's just a soft hiss. Later, full-on wind noise or even water during rain. Fix it by wiping the seals with silicone protectant every few months to keep them soft. If they already squeak, apply a thin coat and let it soak overnight. Your car's saying, seal me tight and I'll keep your cabin quiet and dry. And if your car's older, replacing all the seals usually costs under $100. A small price for silence and comfort on every drive.